Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both environments. Make sure Python and Flask are installed and your Flutter SDK is working. Create a minimal Flask app. Py with a simple route returning JSON and scaffold a Flutter app using Flutter Create. Once done, activate a virtual environment and install Flask dependencies. Make sure the Flask app runs on 127. 0, 0, 1, 5000 for local testing. You do this now because a predictable backend URL simplifies the next steps when wiring Flutter HTTP requests. Next, in your Flutter project, add the HTTP package and create a network service class that performs GET and POST requests, parsing responses with JSON decode. In Flask, enable cores using Flask cores so mobile and web clients can reach your API. This avoids blocked requests. Once the service is implemented, call it from a stateful widget, await responses, and update the UI in set state. Make sure to handle errors and timeouts so the app remains responsive during slow backend calls. Finally, expose your Flask server. Either deploy to a cloud host or use ngrok for quick device testing, then update Flutter's base URL to that public endpoint. Secure your API by adding token-based auth and input validation, and implement robust error handling both client and server side. If things go wrong, first verify core settings and that Flask is bound to 0. 0, 0, 0 for external devices. Also confirm the phone and machine share a network. Once fixed, retest happily and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.